This is a 2008 Mazda 3 2.3 liter. Um, this was having a problem where um, the gear position sensor wasn't reading that the car was in park, and so when you went to turn the key, it wouldn't crank, because it couldn't tell what gear the car was in. So this was causing the car to need to be started in neutral. So what I've done here is I'm trying to get rid of this car for somebody that I'm helping out. So what I've done here is well, first you need to take off this plastic thing. The reason I haven't taken this off is because there's a bolt in the middle there that's fused, and I don't feel like cutting it out right now. So this is the shift linkage here. So that's going up to the gearbox, and this comes down, and this is the gear position. I mean, neutral safety switch here. So if this was bad, you would just change this, which probably wouldn't be a bad idea, but like I said, since I'm getting rid of this car, I don't want to spend money on that. So basically, there's this bracket here that you can actually bend down this way towards you in order to simulate, basically, like you lengthen the linkage here, so that it pushes further when you try to put it in park, and that way it reads that it's in park, because theoretically this here is just not being pushed hard enough to read that it's in park. If that doesn't do the trick, you can also go in the car and you can pop this off, and in the middle here you'll find the other end of the linkage that you can lengthen, and then doing those two together should fix the problem, unless the problem is that sensor really is bad, and then it's just not, just can't tell that it's in park, and then you would need to change it. So hopefully this helps. Just one other thing I forgot, that bracket's not as easy as you would think to bend. So what I've done is I actually took this caulking gun here and used the one end as a hook, and then the other end I would take a hammer here and tap down this way to force the bracket down, because like I said, it's not that easy. Anyways, good luck. Tutorial on how to take apart the center console of a Mazda 3 sedan. So open up the armrest, just grab this thing, you don't have to put much force. Pull that up, the whole thing comes up, and this thing, that's it. Yeah, in my case, I gotta pull this thing out. So just gotta, all you gotta do is carefully shove a screwdriver into this thing, and it'll pop out. So I need both hands to do it, but you get the idea.